So YouTube, it's your boy Young King Damian Herman, and I'm back with another banger. You feel what I'm saying? So today in this video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get y'all own nose pierced. You hear me? So look, I had got this nose piercing like I want to say like about a month ago. You hear me? So like I'm gonna tell y'all about some more stuff what I did. So let me get straight, let me get settled, you hear me? And I'm gonna tell y'all more about what I did and how I got there, you hear me? So y'all, peace out. Right, y'all, I had to get some things situated and straight. So I'm gonna be telling y'all how I got it and how, like, did it hurt? Like, what you gotta do, what you gotta get, how much you gotta pay. I'm gonna be y'all man, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So basically, I got this from off of Wish. It was like $6 or something, you hear me? Like, it was like $7. So I had ordered it. It's like a little, basically, I think I got it on me. So basically, it's this right here. It's this right here. This is like the little nose ring kit. So this basically is like $7 on Wish, Amazon, whatever you want to get it from. You feel what I'm saying? So basically, how you work this is like you get this and you put it right here, and they're gonna have like a little nose ring thing, and you want to push it down. But did it hurt? Nah, it ain't hurt, but like it'll make your eyes watery. So like if you like push it down, it'll make your eyes watery for like a couple of seconds, but like it don't hurt. So like when I did it, like my nose was bleeding and all, but like it ain't really hurt too much. So and like, but you can try it on your own. Like it ain't really hurt, but I think I look good with it. Like, you feel what I'm saying? But y'all could get y'all one though. But anyways, this, just to let y'all know, this is in. Just to let y'all know, I ain't capping. It's in there. But if y'all want to get y'all one, I'm gonna have like a link in the description so y'all can go get y'all one. But it's cheap, but y'all gotta make sure y'all know what y'all doing. Make sure you wash your hand first, and y'all make sure that y'all like get like a little alcohol pad and wipe this. Y'all make sure y'all put like a little marker or something right there so you know where you want to put it at, so it could go in the right place. And y'all make sure y'all don't do it wrong, cause y'all can mess up something. Y'all can get like a little permanent little scar, whatever the thing is. So y'all gotta make sure y'all know what y'all doing and doing it right. You feel what I'm saying? Gotta make sure y'all be cautious of what y'all doing, so y'all don't mess up what y'all doing. You feel what I'm saying? But for me, it ain't hurt. But like it'll be so for like a couple of days. People say it's weeks, but it ain't weeks. It's like a couple of days. You feel what I'm saying? It'll be like so for like a couple of days. It's for me, it's like 2-3 days. But for y'all, I don't know how long it's gonna take. But I had got that. It was cheap though. It's better than paying like $60 on somebody doing it for you. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all peep the mustache out. It's starting to grow. But yeah, son, y'all make sure y'all go get y'all one. Like, it gonna be cheap. You feel what I'm saying? And plus it'll be easier. But make sure y'all have some parent. Y'all make sure y'all have y'all parent supervision around y'all. So y'all make sure y'all don't mess up now. Y'all make sure nothing don't go wrong. Make sure nothing don't go bad. Cause something that happened like just like that. Something happened just that quick. So y'all need to make sure y'all got like parents or something right there. Or sorry, you feel what I'm saying? But you feel what I'm saying? And also, like I said, it was cheap. So I'm guessing that'll be better, you feel what I'm saying? Like $6-7. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah. But I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. I just wanted to tell y'all how it is, you feel what I'm saying? Like, it's not really like a little long video or nothing, you know what I'm saying? I was just gonna tell y'all how it is, what it is, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all no further. I'm finna go finish doing what I was doing. You feel what I'm saying? Get back to my day. Hey y'all, I'm about to go. Peace out. Gang.